TDA080 pressure roller replacement tutorial. Always unplug your dispenser and remove the cutting blade before performing any maintenance. Remove both left and right side covers using a Phillips screwdriver. Use a 5/16 nut driver to loosen the main drive motor. Next, remove the E-ring and one-way gear. This will allow you to fully remove the drive chain. Unplug the right side encoder and remove the two mounting screws. There are two spacers located behind the encoder that slip onto the screws. Remove the E-ring to the upper pressure roller and slide out the plastic bearing. Move to the other side and repeat the same process. Press the pressure roller against the main feed roller and lift up on the slide pin. Remove both springs and set aside. Repeat this process for the bottom pressure rollers. A small screwdriver may help in tight situations. Remove the slide pins from the upper pressure roller. Next, remove the E-ring and the washer and slide the old roller rings off. Prepare 27 new roller rings for reassembly. Install the new roller rings, place the washer, and secure with the E-ring. Reinstall the slide pins. For the bottom pressure roller, remove the E-ring on the left side next to the one-way bearing. Slide off the plastic bearing and the one-way bearing slide pin. Next, remove the E-ring and washer and slide off the roller rings. Again, prepare 27 roller rings for reassembly. Attach the washer and E-ring. Reinstall the one-way bearing to where the slide pin falls downward freely, but locks to the shaft when lifting upwards. Reinstall the outer plastic bearing and E-ring. Reinstall the bottom pressure roller. Apply firm pressure against the pressure roller while slipping in the spring and slide pins. Check for smooth operation. Reinstall the upper pressure roller by slipping in the left side first. Apply springs on the slide pins and firmly push the pressure roller against the feed roller while slipping in the guide pins. Reinstall the outer bearings and E-rings. Reinstall the encoder while making sure the spacers are between the encoder and the frame. Do not over-tighten the encoder as damage can occur. Reinstall the drive chain and one-way gear. Apply E-ring to the one-way gear. Apply a small amount of pressure against the motor and tighten the motor screws. The chain should have a little flex when tightened appropriately. Reinstall all machine covers. reinstall the blade, and check for proper operation. This concludes the TDA080 pressure roller ring replacement process. For more videos by Star International, be sure to check out our YouTube page.